Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm recording audio outside with the Mic Air. So right now the Mic Air has the the noise canceling off. I'm going to turn it on with 2 clicks. All right, so the light has turned green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ride my e-scooter around and see if it picks up wind noise. So I'm just using the mic. This is not the dual where it records from the camera and the mic. This is just the mic, and I'm going to place it right here on my hat via magnets. All right, so let's see if I could do this with one hand. I'm also recording on in 360 mode, so I will try to edit this out on the app later. But let's see how this works. I haven't tried it. All right, so it is slightly windy, but what I'm thinking is that the noise reduction might work. All right, let's go to where the wind was earlier. Now, maybe I shouldn't be talking, but let's see if you could hear me while I'm riding the scooter. And this is with the noise reduction turn on. At least I think it's turned on. And if it's a lot of wind, I'm sorry, but this is why we test these things. Now I could hear the wind through my ears, so there's definitely some wind going on. And I'm doing the 13, 14 miles per hour on this thing. All right. Let's see, cars behind me. All right, let's turn here. I'll turn here because up there, the neighbor down there has a crazy dog. And I mean, this dog is just doing dog things, but all right. No cars behind me. All right, so now I'm going to stop and I'm going to see if I could turn off the wind or the noise. All right, let's take this off. And then 1, 2. All right, it's blue, so now it should be in normal mode. Let me make sure the mic is facing towards me. All right, let's go. So, noise cancellation off. Let's see. All right. Now let me put the dead cat on, and then I'll start another video with that on. All right, so now you can see I have the and I do feel some wind around me. And right now it's with noise cancellation turned on. Let me point it to me, and let's go for a ride and see what happens. See if the dead gato does something. Now there's birds chirping around. Hopefully they come through in the mic. I think they're birds or maybe bugs. I don't know what that is. Oh, by the way, I'm recording this at 4K 120. I don't know if I remember to say that in the beginning. 4K 120. I know the new Osmo came out, and that one has what, 8K 50. But unless you're like doing slow motion, every other 2 years or every year something new comes out, and if you play that game, you'll be buying new things every fucking day. Alright. So now let's double click and turn on the noise isolation or noise cancellation. Right. You turn on the light. Boop, boop, boop. All right. Let's go up, down, down. Right turns. All right. Noise cancellation is on, so you shouldn't be hearing anything other than my voice, hopefully? Question mark. All right, I'm doing. That's good right there. Okay, something to notice or talk about is my Insta360 is getting a little warm to the touch, but whatever. All right, now I'm using the 3 meter stick, that long kind of drone selfie stick. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pull it all out and I'm going to extend it, and then we'll see if the audio still works. All right, so now there's no way for me to tell. I'm not going to use my phone because last time I did that, it kind of wanted to connect to the phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend it and just ride for a bit, and then hopefully it does capture video. We'll see. Here I am extending it. And a cool thing about this extending, you know, I think with the old Insta360, I would not feel comfortable doing this because the old Insta360 does not have a replaceable lens. So if this falls and the lens breaks, you know, it's a big whatever kind of whatever burger. But I'm gonna try to hold this as tight as I can so that way it doesn't fall, because I'm really not looking forward to replacing lenses either. All right, the mic is still on my hat. Let's do this drone shot. Now, this is really uncomfortable to hold. All right, let's go. Let's do 20 miles. Let's go, boys. So, I forget to talk. I don't know. I don't want to talk. I just want to let the mic pick up everything outside. You know? Hopefully, it's still recording. I don't know. I can't see anything. Insta360. Oh. I can't brake, so I have to do that. I can't brake because my braking hand is on the stick, on the selfie stick. All right, let's see. Check out the coqui. Cool. Woo. All right, hopefully that came out cool. All right, so now I'm going to record the audio and see how far I can go before it cuts off. So let's see. Now, I'll say this is what, maybe 20 feet, 30 feet right here. It's been a while since I've done my distance estimation and guesstimation. But yeah, it would be cool like if you had some form of notification, like a little beep on the actual mic saying, hey, like your audio just cut off. I don't know. I mean, how far are you going to go from your camera? I think right now this is a good 100 feet, maybe 100 and something feet. I don't know. We'll see. I'll go a little bit farther up to this bus right here, this little church van. Whoa. And then I'll go back and see if it's recording still with the mic. Now with the AirPod Pros, it took 3 meters for it to disconnect, so I wonder how far this goes. 20 feet right here, I think. That's a good 20 feet. Yeah, I'll say that was like 100 and something feet, give or take. I would wonder why somebody would go that far while they're using their 360 camera, but we'll see. Well, right now it's still recording. All right, I think that's it. I think this is the end of the video. So guys, what do you guys think? I think I'll put my thoughts down below once I listen to the audio when I editing this video. What I think so far is pretty good. We'll see, because I could see the volume meter on the actual screen, but obviously I can't hear anything because I gotta edit the video. But we'll see. I still wish that Insta360 would make a notification on when you are in noise cancellation and not. But for now, we just have the earbuds showing that there's a mic connected. This audio also hopefully picks up all those birds that are around you. I actually want this on. Now it should be unmuted. Yeah, this is why we should have like an indication. Right, green, 2 is blue. Right, so hopefully this audio is picking up all those birds chirping around. Maybe not. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Oh wait, I could do it from right here.